Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang Zeus Thunderbells kontra sa Chiritigo Crossovers 25-22, 25-22, 23-25, 25-20. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Cloan Mondeñedo sa likod ng kanyang 3 points, 2 SS at 17 excellent sets. Nagtala naman si Gagati ng 13 points at 3 blocks. Michelle Gamit 10 points. Gonzaga 20 points, 17 attacks, 15 digs. Mondeñedo 3 points, 2 SS, 17 excellent sets. Arroyo 12 points, 2 blocks. Troncoso 18 points, 16 attacks, 2 SS, 16 excellent receptions. Angeles 12 digs. Nag-ambag din si Kate Santiago ng 4 points. Pascual 3 points. Ancheta 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Chiritigo Crossovers, nagtala si Maranyo ng 7 points. Rodriguez 8 points, 4 blocks. Galang 20 points, 17 attacks, 2 blocks at 1 ace. Nabor 1 point, 12 excellent sets. Adorador 13 points, 12 attacks, 11 excellent receptions. Robles 11 points. Verdiflor 8 digs, 12 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag naman si Samonte ng 2 points. Gaston 4 points. Nonag 8 digs. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Wagi naman ang Farm Fresh kontra sa Galleries Tower High Risers 28-26, 17-25, 25-19, 25-17. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Trisha Tubo sa likod na kanang 33 points, 28 attacks, 1 block at 4 SS. Nagtala si Tagsip ng 2 points at 1 block. Cross 8 points. Tobo 33 points, 28 attacks, 1 block at 4 SS. Romero 1 point, 19 excellent sets. Bertolano 11 points, 4 SS, 7 digs, 12 excellent receptions. De La Cruz 10 points, 10 attacks, 9 excellent receptions. Delerio 8 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Dakis ng 1 point. Viray 2 points at 1 block. Abellana 1 point. Turing 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Galleries Tower High Risers, nagtala si Baliton ng 7 points, 2 blocks at 2 SS. Marsan 10 points, 9 attacks. Jimenez 15 points, 15 attacks. Coronel 4 points, 13 excellent sets. Encarnacion 8 points, 2 SS, 4 digs. Ronquillo 9 points, 1 block, 9 excellent receptions. Eroa 9 digs at 9 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag naman si Paran ng 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of January 30, 2025. Kremlan Colsmasser 6 wins, 0 loss, 17 points. Petrogas Angels 6 wins, 1 loss, 17 points. Signal HD Spikers 5 wins, 2 losses, 15 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 5 wins, 3 losses, 15 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 5 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Chiritigo Crossovers 5 wins, 4 losses, 14 points. Zeus Thunderbells 4 wins, 4 losses, 14 points. Farm Fresh 4 wins, 4 losses, 13 points. Akari Chargers 4 wins, 4 losses, 12 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win, 6 losses, 4 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 1 win, 7 losses, 5 points. Enlix Lead Chameleons 0 win, 8 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong February 1, 2025 na gaganapin sa PhilSports Arena. Maghaharap ang Capital One Solar Spikers at Akari Chargers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Signal HD Spikers at Kremlan Colsmasters alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.